Let's make meatballs and noodles. Open up your sausage and mix it with the ground beef. This is where you want to season your meat with black pepper, garlic powder, parsley flakes, chili powder, onion powder. Add 2 eggs, and then now you mix. I skipped the breadcrumbs for this one. Mix in mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Roll your meat into balls and spread them apart. Wink. Put your balls in the oven and bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Ta-da! Your balls are ready. Next, add your noodles into boiling water. Keep stirring your noodles so it doesn't stick together. Drain your noodles and add olive oil. Season your noodles with parsley flakes. Add pesto paste for flavor. Okay, mix everything. Now your noodles are tasty and al dente. Here's my favorite part, putting it together. You can watch my last video on how I made the spaghetti sauce. So here is my Italian Filipino spaghetti. I hope you enjoy this recipe, taste buds.